Hi there, this is Dominic, and I wanted to walk you through the process of merging courses, also known as cross-listing in Canvas. So here you look at a dashboard and you'll see that the instructor, Mr. Bagsick, has three sections of English, one, two, three. They're all the same, but each represent a different section. You'll also notice over here that there's a sandbox for them, so kind of a typical setup. What we'd like to do is rather than have three separate courses for those particular English classes, we want one course that will connect to those three sections. That way you're essentially saving time by doing the work in one place and then having all three sections see the same work. So in order to do this, we're going to set this up to merge or cross list. The first thing I want to do is identify what is the parent course. So the parent's going to be the one course that they're all copied to. So here's my parent. I'm going to go with this first one and I'm going to open it up to take a look at some details. The details I'm interested in are in the settings menu. So if I click down on settings, you'll notice over here that there is a specific section number for this, and this happens to be period 6. It doesn't necessarily matter which period you start with, but just know that one of them should be the same as the others. So as I click that, you'll notice that each course has what's called the SSID. This number is important because this is what I'm going to use to map the other courses to. So I'm going to go ahead and select that number there and copy it. All right. Now I'll go back to the dashboard. And now I know the SSID of this course. So I want to map these two other courses to this course. And so let me go ahead into the second course here. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to navigate to the same place, to the settings, and then to the course section. And you can see both the number one that this is actually first period. I'll go into the section and you notice that over on the right hand side over here there is this ability to cross list this section. I'm going to select that and you'll notice that there's a course ID area, and this is where I will paste in the course ID that I've had. And when I select it and click out of the area, you'll see that the name of that course actually shows up, and that's the one I want to connect it to. So I'm just going to go ahead and click cross list section. Okay. And that's all it takes to join one course to the other courses. And actually the proof is if I go back to the dashboard, you'll see that instead of having three courses to cross list, I only have two now, right? So I'm going to add the third, same process. I'm going to go into this course. I'm going to go down to settings. I'm going to go down into the sections for it and launch into the section, and then once again hit the cross list section and paste in the SSID to the original course I was looking for. There it is one more time, and now I'll cross list again. And what you'll see when you go back out to your dashboard now is that the three courses are now all combined in one. And if I go into that one course and I look at the actual settings for it, you'll see that now instead of just having one section, I have all three combined therein. Okay, and now this course is ready essentially for an import of your sandbox, and rather than it just being empty, right, you'll be able to bring in your new core or your sandbox course just by going here and adding existing content. Hope that helps. Good luck. Thanks.